the chorus for Rahul Gandhi as leader of opposition is picking up. The Congress Working Committee has passed a resolution urging Rahul Gandhi to go ahead and take the position of leader of opposition in Lok Sabha. Congress netas say that they believe Rahul in the last few years has become the political front that's representing the opposition against the BJP. Rahul Gandhi, however, will take the final call. There is no clarity on whether he is okay or open to doing it. The BJP, meanwhile, has mocked the delay in choosing a leader of opposition. BJP's Amit Malviya mocked Congress, questioning what's led to this delay. Remember that the Lok Sabha will get a leader of opposition after 10 years because the Congress failed to get the purge after it fell short of numbers both in 2014 and 2019. So even as the Congress High Command also believes that Rahul Gandhi should be leading from the front, should be the leader of opposition, has passed a resolution also for the same. Rahul Gandhi will take the final decision, and there's been no clarity yet on whether Rahul is willing to be the leader of opposition or not. It is also a big deal for the Congress, considering that in both 2014 and 2019, as I mentioned, the leader of opposition position was simply not there because they failed to muster up the numbers to be the key opposition party in Parliament. Now, with 99 seats, the Congress has gone ahead and got that position once again. There's also the question of whether all other opposition parties are on board and whether they will back Rahul Gandhi being chosen as the leader of opposition. Now, the Congress Working Committee has passed a resolution already in this regard. Maushmi Singh is joining us with more details on this. Maushmi, good evening. What are you picking up from your sources? Is Rahul Gandhi keen on becoming the leader of opposition?
See, the chorus was very loud and clear. A very good evening to you, firstly. The chorus was very loud and clear as far as, who the party wants as the leader of opposition. And, Mallikarjun Kharge, in fact, backed the demand of several Congress MPs in the parliamentary party meeting, and also of several Congress leaders as far as the Congress Working Committee is concerned, that Rahul Gandhi should lead from the front. He went on to even say that this is the right time and Rahul Gandhi is the perfect choice. So Rahul Gandhi did, though, seek time to answer that question and demand of the Congress leaders. But at the same time, Mr. Kharge said that this is also my decision. He said that in the meeting, that all the leaders are demanding that you should become the LOP, and it is also my decision. Ye hamara bhi nirnay hai. So it will be hard for Rahul Gandhi to, in fact, resist that demand when it's coming from really not only the cadre, the party leaders, but also from the top leadership.
And let's see if we have an answer to who will be the leader of opposition in the coming days. Thanks very much, Maushmi, for joining us with those details.